So in this video, I'm going to try to explain how the wiring for this kind of control, which is junction control, and then the model number of this thermostat is, I hope you can see from there, T9601 TF20. And then junction control, some voltage details. Input 100 to 220 volts AC, 50-60 Hz. Relay output 0 to 240 AC, 50-60 Hz. Inductive rated current 2.2, inverse current. So this is the terminal what we have here. So as you can see in this area, this side, which is this is the terminal. Neutral, valve 1, valve 2, fan on, and then line and neutral, that is 220, which is you can see also from here, the PCB board itself. Line and neutral, that is a 220. That is a power supply which is required to our thermostat in order to work this thermostat. In the other side also, ground and then fan. The rest I don't have idea what is the function that and for what. In our scenario, what we have right here, ground and then fan. This is a variable voltage that is required to run our fan unit, FCU fan coil unit, required variable voltage. So once that you are going to change the speed from this thermostat, the voltage also will be vary. If you are going to change into high speed, it means you are going to provide voltage from here 10 volts DC. So in our scenario, what we have here is this kind of system. Let's say this is our fan motor. What we have fan motor is 4 wire only. So in this wire, this is line and then this is neutral. So 220 volts AC inject in this side. So this 220 direct, you can direct from our breaker. So in this 2 wire, this is negative and then positive, which is came from our thermostat, required 0 to 10 volts DC. This is the fan control speed. Even we have direct 220 from here, this fan, it will not run without this DC voltage. This is a signal, DC signal from our thermostat. So we will try, I will make also the drawing from thermostat. As per our thermostat here, there is a neutral and then line in this side. That is a power required in order to run our thermostat. You see from this side. So in this side also, you can see here, you can see there ground and then fan. Here, this is the ground, this is the fan. So from this terminal, you are going to connect to our fan motor as like that, which is 0 to 10 volt DC, variable voltage for our fan speed. So it means if the voltage is here 0, so your fan motor, it will not run. And then, so now we complete already wiring of our fan motor. So remaining is actuator valve. So actuator valve example, valve 220 AC. So this is sample which is what we have in actual. So this is our line. You can connect from here, line. So there is mentioned here valve 1, as you can see here. This is our neutral, valve 1. So valve 1, we gonna connect in this, sorry, so from here only. So this is neutral, this is line, so this is valve. Should connect from here. It's different. Once that you're going to set into cool mode, automatic the power neutral will provide power from here. So it means your actuator will activate. So that is how we do wiring in our actual scenario, which is what we have. So this is a thermostat at the back of our thermostat, and then this is our field wiring, which is fan coil unit. Zero to 10 volt, line, neutral. Yeah.